Hi friends. I am presenting you a small cafe shop POS system developed using Python Tkinter. When the program is opened, the title shows the name of the shop or cafe. The next line shows the date and time. This is a very simple POS system. By clicking the checkbox, we can enter the quantity of the item required. As an example, here we are showing how quantity is entered for various items. After entering all the quantities, then press the total button to get the total. If you press total button, at each item row the cost for the required quantity is displayed. In the bottom panel shows the total code of the all items in the first row, second row shows the tax calculated at 15% and finally the net total is displayed. All these details can be shifted to bill view by pressing the bill button. It will ask if the bill needs to saved, press yes to continue. You can note the contents of the bill, showing the name of the cafe, the date and time, the bill number, and the item-wise the cost. Then total cost, tax at 15%. Then finally net total. Note the bill number, it will be stored in the folder bill. Exit the POS system and go to folder bill to see the bill number and check the items. Hope you liked the POS system.